Since the last video I made about how you can import your Lightroom preset, a lot has been changed with the new updates of Lightroom. So let's dig in and show you guys how you can do it. Alright guys, so as you can tell, we are in Lightroom right now and we have a bunch of preset packs here, but we're gonna get that later. First of all, the new update of Lightroom, like the new format of preset, which is XMP, and a lot of people are struggling importing the XMP format, and the reason is because probably most of you guys haven't really updated your Lightroom to the latest version or above 7.3. Without updating your Lightroom to the latest version, you will not be able to import XMP format. And whenever I create a preset right now, it will automatically save as an XMP. And to be honest, I have no control to convert XMP format to the old format. So that's why I need you guys to update your Lightroom first, and then you can easily import XMP format. And also in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can transform the same XMP format to your mobile Lightroom version. So you don't really need DNG format preset to actually import preset on your Lightroom mobile. Alright, so the typical way for me to import presets, I go to this plus button and then we have create preset. And after that, we're gonna go to group. I'm gonna create a new group with a different name so all the presets don't really mix up. So let's go ahead, CM, okay? Create, and then just rename anything for this one and then click create. Now you will have CM group here. And now what you can do here, you're gonna double click and then import, and here's the folder that we have preset with XMP format. Select all of them, click import, and here you should have the preset. So guys, this is my way of importing preset on my desktop Lightroom. And now let's jump to Adobe Lightroom Cc. Now keep in mind, this is Adobe Lightroom Classic, so this is only available for your desktop laptop version. Now to import preset on your mobile version, or let's say your iPad, you need to download Adobe Cc, which I have it right now. So right away I'm gonna jump to Adobe Lightroom Cc. This is the interface, this is how it looks like. I already imported some photos, so yeah. And once you end, you're gonna click here. The develop mode, somehow we can call it develop mode. Then we're gonna go to preset, okay? One thing you need to do before importing any preset is that you need to have the same account on your mobile phone. So that's why you can sync your preset, also whatever photo you have inside Lightroom CC. So simple way, you need to go ahead and create preset. And then we're gonna go to group, new group. I'm gonna go with Kaiwan preset pack because I don't have it here. This is one of the most and best seller pack, and just rename it anything and click save. And then you have the group here. Then as you can tell, you have the group here, and then we're gonna go and import preset. Here we have Kaiwan presets, so I'm gonna select all of them and click on import. And boom, so you have Kaiwan preset. So right now, these presets will be automatically imported and synced to your other devices that are connected with the same account. So right now, when I go to my Lightroom on my phone, I will go to the preset section, and you can already tell I have all the preset already imported. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please go ahead, give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos like this. And if you want to get some preset packs, LUTs overlay, visit my store. The link will be in the description. I would highly appreciate if you check it out. You might be definitely interested in some of my preset packs, so the link will be in the description again, and I see you in the next one.